to the Soil Family Expo last weekend and I had the best time ever. I got to meet so many beautiful people. Everybody was warm, loving, and everybody had the most amazing smile. And I saw a lot of unity. There were people, diverse people that participated, and everybody came with their gifts, their talents, and it was just amazing that this expo brought a lot of people together. And I will definitely be back, and I'm going to be bringing people with me. I did a little shopping, and this is a Soil Family Expo bag that I got on the night of the Ladies and Sons dinner, which was really nice. And it was filled with a lot of goodies in here. I got some canning lids and everything, and went and into Savannah Bee Company, and I am waiting to try this. Well, I'm going to try it tonight. The hot honey. And I also went to the booth of Pescatarian Gardener, and this back off, I am going to be trying it. I get torn up by mosquitoes, so this is pretty much all natural essential oils, so that's going to work for me. And then Bambit, I was so happy to see you and Fran, and he had gave me some moringa and grapeseed soap, and this is a rooting and has good roots in here. He wrapped it in paper towel and cinnamon so it wouldn't get any mold or mildew, and it is an Aunt Daisy, or Aunt Daisy depending on how y'all say it, Chicago Hardy Fig mix. So I'm going to be putting that in some soil this evening, hopefully. It's a rainy day, so I got a lot of stuff to accomplish and catch up on, but I had the best time ever.